so this is going to be my first official video, and today I thought I'd do a Yesstyle unboxing since I recently did a haul. And yeah, since it's my first video, I'll introduce myself, I guess. I'm not good at these things, but my name's Larissa. I'm 17, currently at Dawson, and I'm a very artistic person, which you'll see if you keep following my channel. Subscribe down below to see covers and vlogs and more. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, let's open it up. I've honestly been waiting for this for like a month, but yeah, our country's like on strike or whatever, so well the post is on strike, not our country. But yeah, so it took so long to get here, but it usually does since it comes from like far away, but whatever. Well, this isn't a box like it usually is. It's just like, it's clear. Alright, let's just go. Oh, I'm honestly so excited, guys. I have no idea. Okay. I'm struggling. I'm sorry. How does one open this? It's like taped all around. Ugh. I mean, you want that protection. Okay. Wait. Can you... How did I do this wrong? I need nails. Ta-da! I'm so bad at this. Okay, so first things first. That's big. We have this beret. How do I open this? Okay, we have this beret. Cute. It's beige. I don't know if you can see. Okay, wait. How does one put this on? Oh my god. No. I don't think that's how you do it. Okay, I'll figure this out another time. But yeah. Second item. Nope. Look at this. So, I've been wanting this like red striped shirt for so long, but I never could find it, so I was just like, I'm gonna order it. And it looks, oh right, it's a turtleneck. Looks like this. Can you see that? Oh, turtleneck, come through. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I may try it on later, but I don't feel like it right now, so. Ha! Okay, next up we have, what the hell is this? Sorry people, I can't remember my order, it's been too long. See my pants? Okay, pants. Can you see that? It's a weird fabric though. Can you like see the kind of fabric? Anyways, we'll see how that fits later on. And a belt. Yay! Alright, it's wrapped like, looks like a snake, guys. The hell? Ah! Why is it like this? Well, it's crippled, but this is the thing. Okay. Next we have, oh, that's for my mom. Yeah. It's, it's a setting powder. Damn it. Okay. Good enough. So, it's this Skin Food Multi-Finish Powder. This is what it looks like. And so cute. Oh, it's one of those things that you like pop it out. Oh, cool, cool, cool. Okay, next. Oh, this is the free stuff. Cause like when you buy for a lot of money, they give you free stuff. I can't speak. And well, I kind of destroyed it, but this was supposed to be like a milk carton thing. Yeah, and this is oh god. Oh, this is very loose. Oh, this is so cute. Look at this. It's like milk, like the dairy theme. Oh, I see. Yesstyle. How cute. Did I say it was a Yesstyle? Oh, stupid receipts. Ooh. Another free stuff. A free item. I can't even talk. But it's aloe. Gotta love aloe, guys. Oh my god. Oh, for my mom again. It's like this nail care essence. That's what it is. And yeah, it does wonders for your nails, seriously. I keep biting them, and when I put this on, well, first it tastes bad, so that helps. And yeah, it makes them grow faster. Yeah. I'm trying to get this thing off because it's not pretty, but it's a struggle. Why do they make their tags like this? Can you relate? If you can, a comment down below. Haha. Okay. Well, this is it. This is what it looks like. It's like just like a pen, but it has like this formula coming out of it. So that's the tea. Oh, right. I forgot I bought this. This is like an eyeshadow, but like on a stick. So I don't know how that'll be, but I wanted to give it a try since all my eyeshadows, well, are not on a stick. But oh, it's so cute though. Look at this like little constellation thing. Wait, does this thing work? Like, can it focus? Hello? Or not. But yeah, the color is like orangey. Oh god. Okay. The color is like orangey. Wait, I'm not even doing this right. Okay, you can't really see it, but let me swatch it real quick. Oh, it's like golden. It's like, oh, what's that color? Copper? Wait. This is a struggle, guys. Anyway, very pretty color. On to the next item. Oh, it's my eyebrow tint thing from Etude House. Why not? Okay. Oh, it's so cute. It's like fat at the bottom. Oh, how cute. Okay. And how does this work? Oh my god. Okay. It's like a little brush thing. Can you see that? Ugh. Anyways, it's like a little. Should I like turn it? Is that how it works? I don't understand it. Okay. Let's move on. What's this? Oh! Sorry, got excited. It's my pony. Guys, it's this pony mascara. Look at this packaging. Can we take a moment to appreciate this? Oh! Now it smells. Okay. The best things are in the bottom. Oh! So, story time. I've been obsessed with Piri Pera's ink. Wait, let me get it right. Ink, the Airy Velvet, I think, in like coral something. Anyways, oh, it's been like my go-to for months now, and I saw that they released like a new one, so I was like, hey, I'm gonna get one, and that's why I'm so excited, because hello, ink the gelato. And oh, look at this little wand. It's so cute. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, it's pretty. Okay. It's bigger than the other one. I'm happy because I'm done with the other one and I was really sad. Okay, wait. Swatch time so you can see it better. Well, it's not really like this in real life, but you get an idea. Okay. So, next. Well, this is tiny. I paid like $10 for this. Okay, Laneige, I see you. This. What? Stupid. This is this little thing. Can you see how tiny it is? $10. Do I look like someone who wants to? Oh, I mean, it does smell good. Better be worth it, cause $10. Okay, next up. All right, my lash serum. Oh, this is quite cute though. Yeah. Because I wear a lot of makeup, so my lashes tend to fall. Yeah, so this really helps. I used to use castor oil to like help with the growth of my lashes and my eyebrows, but I stopped because like it gets really oily and like when you wake up in the morning it's just like so sticky and it doesn't make it doesn't make you feel good. So oh, look at this. It's like a transparent mascara wand. So cute. Okay. And last but not least, oh, I remember this. Oh, the Labiote little, oh, it's like a little wine bottle. Look at this. Oh, and this little thing is textured. Oh, how nice. Okay. Oh, that's how it goes. Okay. Hello. Oh, that is so pink. Let's hope it doesn't look like that on my lips. But yeah, you can see it. It is very pink. But yes, that's it for my haul. I hoped you enjoyed it, even if it was just me not knowing English anymore. And yeah. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Comment, like, subscribe, all that stuff if you did. And I will see you guys in my next video, hopefully soon. Bye!